Do you have the experience is the question. Because if you don't have the experience from a shop or school, or a shop and school, then you can't really be a mobile mechanic. This is kind of obvious, but if you don't have the experience, then how are you going to fix people's cars, and how are you going to answer people's questions when they ask a professional question, and you're supposed to be the professional that knows what he's doing. Let's say you work on your own cars at home. You replace brakes, you change the oil, replace spark plugs, things like that. And maybe you watch some videos on YouTube on how to do things and things like that. But you have never been instructed by a professional before. You just can't go mobile with that kind of experience, because working on your own cars is different than working on people's cars. But hey, the good news is that you can get the experience. You can start getting the experience now, and I will talk more about this at the end of this video, and I'll give you some resources to where to start with this to get your experience, go to school, things like that. I'll give you some resources at the end of this video, so watch this video to the end. But this is one of the 3 reasons why you shouldn't go mobile with this kind of experience. But hey, you don't need to be this high level with 20 years of experience technician to go mobile to do this. 2 years of experience at a shop, or 1 year of school and then 1 year of experience at a shop is good enough for you to go and start your own mobile mechanic business. The second reason why you shouldn't go mobile without the proper experience is reputation. If you go mobile without the proper experience, then you will just gain a bad reputation with your clients, and you will be perceived as unprofessional and maybe a ripoff. You don't want this if you want to build a successful mobile mechanic business and if you want to sleep at night. The third reason why you should have experience at a shop first before you go mobile is running a mobile mechanic business is almost like running a shop. So if you work at a shop first, then you will see how a shop works, and you will learn how the shop deals with customers, cars, parts, etc. And I will share with you my experience, or how I do this as a mobile mechanic. But there is nothing better than hands-on experience. So I will share with you everything that I know, but it's better for you if you work at a shop first. 2 years are going to pass anyways, so either in 2 years from now you are a mechanic and you have the proper experience, or you don't. But time is going to go by anyways, so why not do it now, or why not start getting the proper experience now? And as I promised you, here are some resources that you can start with so you can get the proper experience. How a Car Works is a program that you can buy for only $25. And no, this video is not sponsored by this program. This program, I bought it myself and I've used it. I use it. It's a lot of information that you can get for only $25. You will learn literally how a car works. You will learn about how a starter motor works, how a cooling system works, how an alternator works, how an engine works, how to tear down an engine, put it back together, things like that. You will learn a lot from this program for only $25. The next program is Scanner Danner. I don't know if you have heard about Scanner Danner, but this guy, he teaches an auto repair class at a college, and he records his class. So he is teaching in his class in these videos. You can buy this for only $10. The program is $10 a month. It's not a one-time purchase. It is a $10 a month program. But $10 a month, I mean, you will make that $10 over and over and over and over again with the kind of information that he shares in his program. I have this program, so I recommend it. It is amazing, it is great. And even if you don't get Scanner Danner's premium program for $10 a month, you can still watch his videos on YouTube at Scanner Danner. A lot of information there. Great YouTube channel. Go check it out. The other guys that you can watch on YouTube is South Main Auto, Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics, Ford Tech Maki Loco. These guys know what they're doing. These guys know what they're talking about, and it's great information for free on YouTube. So go watch those guys and do this along with going to school or working at a shop, and you will be an experienced mechanic in no time, so you can start making more money and go start your own mobile mechanic business, so you can control your time and control how much you can make in the day. Alright, so that's it in this video. I hope this video helps you, and I'm sorry if the quality of this video isn't great. It's about 10:30 p.m. right now. I got home late from work, from doing mobile mechanic work, and it's late right now. I wanted to get this video recorded and get it out there as soon as possible. Don't forget to comment on this video, and if you like the video, give it an I like it button, and if you don't like the video, then give it an I don't like it button, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Alright, so let's go to the next video.